Hello, this is the main program, PizzaPlace. As you can see, here's the main UI. It asks you what you want to do. You have the options to create an order, or ask for an administrative menu, or a baker menu, or a checkout menu, or you can press Q to quit. We're going to start with by pressing O and ordering a pizza. When you get into the pizza user interface, you get four options. One, to make a custom pizza, or review all orders, or search for independent orders. I'm going to create two pizzas, and I'm going to act like I'm a customer. I'm going to write my name in. The sizes vary from 9, 12, and 16. All have different prices that are constant. If you type in 8, you would get a 9. Type in 11 or a number between 9 and 12, you would get 12. And the same for 16. If you type 13, 14, 15, you get 16. And anything above 16 goes to 16. So I'm just going to type in 7, and that will give me a size of pizza 9. You have two available options. Thick and Italian, they're the same price. Let's do an example for exception. If you press any other letter that isn't a part of the program, a message will come up telling you that your input is wrong and asks you to try again. I'm gonna press now T for a thick bottom, and I get a bunch of toppings to select from. I'm going to start by choosing pepperoni and bacon, which is my favorite. You get the option to press 0 when finished, and you get another option that asks you if you want a pizza, another pizza. I'm going to pick another one for Sindri. Sindri, what do you want your pizza to be?
Well, I would like a big pizza, 16 inches.
Okay, we're going crazy. Do you want a thick bottom or an Italian one?
I like it thick.
Okay, he picks a thick bottom. And what do you want on the pizza?
I want pepperoni.
He picks pepperoni.
I want chicken.
Yep, he picks chicken.
And of course, paprika.
Paprika. The worst pizza I can imagine.
Thank
there
you.
Go. I finished ordering two pizzas, and I can see them displayed here on the command console. The total price adds up. You can see or do the math yourself. Next, we're gonna review all orders. You can see our order under the same name as me, and you can see where it starts being another pizza when it starts choosing how big it is.
It uses spaces to differ between pizzas.
Yes. Okay, now we're going to search for an independent pizza. I'm going to choose mine just to show this works. And here comes my order and the price for it. I'm going to return to the main menu, to the main user interface, and I'm going to check it out and pay for it. We go to the bakers, and he asks me what number it should be. I'm going to show you an exception case, which is just if I write 4. It comes up and tells me that the number 4 is not a valid number to input. So I have to put in a number that is available. If I press B, this happens, and if I press -3, again, the number 3 is not a valid number to input. When I press B, I give the console a clear screen, so that's why the screen is clear now. I'm going to quit now, or well, first I'm going to mark it. And carton is ready. I'm going to quit. Then I'm going for the checkout. And I can see that I am now in the checkout. I wouldn't be there before. And I'm going to check myself out. And I'm ready to pay. And it tells me the total price of the order and if I've paid or not. And it says here that I am finished, and remember to say enjoy. And now we can see the administrative menu, where we can read orders, which there are none currently.
No active orders.
I can show it. And then we can see topping control, where we can alter toppings or just quit. And we can also read them. See, here are the available toppings. Let's add a topping. It asks me if I want to, and I say yes.
The name of the topping?
The name of the topping is the first one. Let's just add
peppers.
Peppers, sure. And then I press enter. And then the price of the topping will come next. And I'll just make that to 200. And now I can read it again. And I can see that peppers has been added. Now I'm going to return to the main menu. Yes. And that's our program. I can show you more exceptions. For example, that if you go to press any other than the available options, it's going to come as a wrong input. It's a great case for exception. And also in the main UI, anything I write, it's just going to pop back up. Go.
Let's add a few more pizzas just to test out the vectors. So what we're going to do is just throw in a few pizzas, nothing spectacular. Okay, and not that number, 0, here. Try to just say no, it's been added to the pizza order text file. And let's just add more pizzas. Let's do Cody. He likes big pizzas, and he likes thick bases, and he wants pepperoni, wants mushroom, and he wants the new topping that we just added, which is peppers. So that works. No more for him. And he wants to get a pizza for his friend Björkvin. He wants a smaller pizza. He's gonna have Italian, and of course he would like some rucola, and he loves paprika.
Let's add some peppers also to show that it works.
Yeah, let's do that. And let's finish by pressing 0. And do you want to add more pizzas? No, the order is finished. Now it has been processed and sent to the the pizza order text file. And let's review it again. As we can see, we have 2 available orders. These are both unfinished, so the baker is still processing them. Let's add just one more pizza. Sorry, that's pretty good. It's an exception case, of course. Pizza, and who should be ordering a pizza? Braga, that's my girlfriend's dog. 12, sure, she probably wants pepperoni and chicken. I don't know if dogs can eat pepperoni.
They can.
Okay, that's terrible. I'll be a terrible dog owner. Do you want to add more pizzas? And we're just gonna say no. So she has her pizza and also the total price. As you can see, the standard price was 1,000 kroners, no, 1,500 kroners for a 12-inch pizza. And now the total price is 1,900 kroners. We see the pepperoni costs 200 and chicken costs 200. So that adds up to 1,900 from 1,500. Now let's just review them all again. And we see that we have 3 orders in the making. Now let's just go to the main menu, and let's just do the baker. Now the baker has these 3 orders, and luckily he had an order ready for Braga. He just had a pizza ready, and so it's been in the oven and it's out and it's ready to be purchased or paid for. So we're just going to type in 3. As you can see, the list updates. So we see that there are now 2 orders in processing. That is my order and Kauri's order. And we can also just skip Sindri. He's not going to get his pizza, and we see that he's still number 1 on the list, and he will never receive his pizza. And then we go to the checkout, and we see that these 2 pizzas are ready to be paid for. And let's just type in kjart, which is number 2 on the order list. The customer is ready to pay, and he sees the total price is 4,520 kroners for his 2 pizzas. He presses yes, the Y button. It can also be a big Y. And then you can see kjart finished. Remember to say enjoy. Now, the orders that have been purchased are available now in the text file, which is called, what's the text file called? It's paid orders text file, where you can view the old orders. Now let's just quit. And so that is just the entire function of our program. Right, so that's pretty good. Order, yes. You can still see that Sindri's order is still in processing. The baker hasn't finished it, probably never will. So let's just turn off our program and